In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your Jotform form in less than 5 minutes. A simple yet powerful tool for anyone looking to manage their online forms, whether for event registrations, surveys, or feedback collections. There comes a time when you need to halt further submissions to a form either because you've reached a participation limit or the purpose of the form has been fulfilled. This process, while straightforward, requires a little navigation through Jotform's platform, and I'm here to guide you through it. First, let's start with the basics. You'll need to visit Jotform's official website. This is where all the magic begins. On their homepage, you'll find a cornucopia of options, but our primary focus is to log into your existing account, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. This action will prompt you to enter your login details. However, if you've previously linked your Jotform account to Google or another platform, you can choose to log in via those services for a quicker access. Once you're logged in, your next destination is the My Forms section. This is essentially your command center where all your forms are listed. You can get there either by navigating through the website's menu or by direct URL if you're more tech savvy. Here you'll find a list of all the forms you've created. Hover over the form you wish to close to reveal additional options. You should see an Edit Form button appear. Click on it. This action will take you to the Form Builder page for the specific form you've chosen to edit. While this area allows for comprehensive form design and construction, our focus will be on a different set of features today. Direct your attention to the Settings tab at the top of the page. Click on it to proceed to the form settings. Within these settings lies the control to enable or disable your form, essentially opening or closing it for submissions. Initially, your form will be set to enabled, which means it's open for submissions. However, to close it, you'll need to make a small adjustment. Look for the enabled button or indicator, which signifies that your form is active. Clicking on this button will reveal another option, disabled. Selecting disabled will immediately change the status of your form, preventing any new submissions from being made. It's an instantaneous switch that takes effect the moment you make it, ensuring that no further entries are received once you've decided to close your form. The final step in this process is to save your changes. It might seem like a minor detail, but failing to save means all the adjustments you've made won't be applied. So make sure to click the Save button, typically located near the top or bottom of the settings page, or somewhere evident in the interface. This action confirms your changes, effectively closing your form to new submissions. Closing a form is a reversible action, which means if you decide to open it again in the future, you can simply follow these steps in reverse. Just navigate back to the settings, switch the status from disabled to enabled, and remember to save your changes. In summary, managing the submission status of your Jotform forms is a straightforward process that enables you to control the flow of responses. It's handy for times when you need to pause data collection for review or when your event or survey period has concluded. Remember, effective form management is crucial in maintaining the integrity of your data collection efforts and ensuring that your interactions with participants are timely and relevant. I hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to close a form on Jotform quickly and efficiently. Whether you're wrapping up an event, concluding a survey, or simply taking a break from data collection, knowing how to manage this aspect of your Jotform account empowers you to better control your engagements and initiatives. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more handy guides and tips on using Jotform and other online tools to streamline your projects and processes. Happy form building and see you in the next video.